Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful jute craft ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is frames. Jute flower, make flower using jute top, raw and twist into bag shape. Glue them on cardboard or clip. Great for home decoration or gifts. Jute storage basket. Frames. Warp jute top in a round shape to make a base. Pull up the side slowly with glue. Make handles using top locks. Useful for storage or look taste. Jute clock decorate. Take a simple wall clock, cover it, border with jute top, add small decoration like shells or beads. Give a beautiful look. And viewers, next idea is weavers. Friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates.